Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instructions sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.2.50 glass top final feature of base. As part of the base fabrication, the glass top is the last feature. If there were other features integral to base fabrication, additional dimension entries may be necessary. The dimensions entered in this example, part 1, address most variations in the design of the base component. There are 2 components that will be fabricated separately, although they become part of the base. Each have unique cost workup sheet characteristics that are appropriate to their purpose, makeup, and design. If the component or part is fabricated separately from the base, then the cost for those items is calculated separately. The pragmatic reason is that clients change their mind. This cost workup methodology facilitates quick quote revisions. The background screen is the door cost workup, which is discussed in part 3. The background screen is now the shelves, which is discussed in part 4. Both the door and the shelf are components. On the pedestal elevation, dimensions macro buttons are grouped in the 2 areas titled elevation: rear, door and elevation: shelf. This example 1.2.50 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.2.51.